Have you ever wondered what the difference was between data science and big data? Now, the idea of data science and big data has been emerging for at least the last decade or so. And you might have noticed that it's happened more around the time when social media began to emerge, when platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, Snapchat, all of these started happening. So let me tell you about the differences between data science and big data. Before we move forward, friends, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with their friends, but please subscribe so that you can stay informed with all the cutting edge content and educational content that this channel has available. So let's get back to it. The difference between data science and big data. Well, data science is the study of data in general. Any kind of data, every kind of data falls under the data science industry. Now, data science can be used to do different things. You can use data science in the healthcare industry to identify, let's say, health trends, or a laboratory might use it to figure out, use data that they've collected to find a new cure to a disease. Look at COVID-19, the vaccine creation process. Data science, using a lot of different types of data collected from across the world, from different samples, analyzed, and then put into computers to tell scientists what the right combinations should be for the vaccine. And that's data science. You can use data science to calculate stress and load. If you're an architect or an engineer and you're making a bridge or a road, you can use data science to create a building, create a ship, study climate patterns, study climate change. Anything and everything can be studied with data science. Now, big data, on the other hand, is a particular type of data. It is that typically the data that's generated by social media platforms is called big data. And the reason why it's called big data is because it is huge. It is a lot of data that's just way too much data than you could ever imagine. Imagine, on a daily basis, if we come across 1 unit of data, a big data would be encountering 1 million units of data. Now, social media is a really good example because social media generates a lot of data. Did you realize that every time you share something, you like something, you don't like something, you comment on a post of a friend, that information is stored on the servers of the social media provider, and that is the information that's created and generated. Imagine billions of people across the world doing the same thing, liking, sharing, and commenting on different social media, and that is generating a lot of data. That is big data. That is a type of big data. The characteristics of big data is that it has a huge volume, and it's got some other characteristics as well, but that's the fundamental difference between data science and big data. Tell me, do you work with data on a daily basis? What kind of data do you work on a daily basis? Friends, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this content. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.